Preparations are underway with great enthusiasm for the 46th state-level Murasing Social and Cultural Fair to be held on November 5th, coinciding with the occasion of Rash Purnima. The Mela will take place at the Shree Harichand Goswami temple premises in Patichhari Murasing Para under the Shantirbazar subdivision. The Murasing community, along with people from various other tribal and non-tribal communities, gather at this temple every year to perform worship during Rash Purnima. Pilgrims and devotees from across the state flock to the area for the celebration. The Mela will be officially inaugurated on November 5th, and several important state ministers and dignitaries are scheduled to attend the opening ceremony. Minister Animes de Barma, Minister Sukla Charan Nawatia, MLA Pramod Riyang, MDC Padmalochan Tripura, and Sunil Murasing, Chief of Murasing Hoda. The Mela is designed to be a blend of religious, social, and cultural activities. Various government departments will set up stalls to showcase their public welfare schemes and initiatives to the general public. Visitors can look forward to all-night-long cultural programs featuring different performances. The core of the event remains the traditional worship performed by the Murasing community at the Shree Harichand Goswami temple during Rash Purnima.
Chungira Murasing Chuchu Culture Khlainai Rash Purnima Sri Krishna Raj Jatrana Tiyoi Abon Bagoi Chungira Chuchu Culture ni Merabo Asugui Tongo Oro Proti Bosor Haino Borok Punarthiro Somagono Ongo Aboto Busugong Aboto Samia Din Barati Sitongo cái Chini ro je stall khulong mani rok aborok to sai khala ro baika cái chung জনগণ একটাই বার্তা নাই চিনি মেলা শৃঙ্খল যাতে অংনে জাত কোনো কেফেক মানি চালাইয়াওই মেলানো ঠিক খাইতি সাবই ঈশ্বর চিনি হরিচান গোসাইনো Kholomongia Parijutono Tanglay Jato, Taikacha Bata Kotor Klai, Ang Murasing Dopani, Tripang Hijabe Satai Klayo, Nitantono, onto to pocket in kilometer. Kuno Chuak, Arak, but Tefek Jatio Manui, Jatetisia Jat, Abonotung, Pockito Pocketung, Niset Klayo, Abochini Rongya. Agebo chung khlajak tabubo chung khlajak ngai orchestra ni tale tale kono rokome kono biশৃঙ্খলা ongya jat khlachini volunteers charai takhok bukhuk rok dongpayo prai samalo to 150 jon ru takle chung 200 rok runani bakha ekai chini helper hisabe shanti surakha bahini rok dongo brobo 150 থেকে 200 runani hinai SDPO saheb no chung koikha hinke iro khub kaham klaino kreta bikreta rok jonga donglayo sushrinkhola no naruglayo chung butongo biching chung hoda Murasing hoda ekebare first to last of the chung aradhana khlaito tino chini melano naikoli tonglai amne sombutona phan marunai karon amne song to jottoni theka kahamku biang tamaong ya abota amne soni camera anu sanai.
The details of the event, including the extensive preparations and collaborations, were highlighted by Sunil Murasing, President of the Murasing Social Organization, Bhagya Charan Murasing, General Secretary of the Mela Committee, and Rajesh Murasing, President of the Youth Wing of the Murasing Social Organization. Reported by Bikram from Shantirbazar, Chini Khorang.